Hello pong muli, teeth and gums, silent symptoms pa rin po tayo, toothache, number 2. Toothache obviously exclude causes such as abscesses or root canal problems. Stomach fire, toothache especially on the lower teeth, mouth ulcers, foul breath, intense thirst with a desire to drink cold liquids, bleeding gums, burning epigastric pain, mental restlessness, dry mouth, dry stool, sour regurgitation, nausea, vomiting, soon after eating, a feeling of heat, sour regurgitation, tongue red with a thick, dry, dark yellow coating, deep, full, rapid falls. Damp heat in the stomach. Toothache, swollen gums, sticky taste, thirst with no desire to drink, a feeling of fullness and pain of the epigastrium, a feeling of heaviness, facial pain, stuffed nose or thick, sticky nasal discharge, nausea, a feeling of heat, dull yellow complexion, red tongue with sticky yellow coating, slippery, rapid falls. Stomachache deficiency with empty heat, toothache, mouth ulcers, dry mouth with a desire to drink in small sips, dull or burning epigastric pain, feeling of heat in the afternoon, dry mouth and throat, especially in the afternoon, thirst with a desire to drink in small sips, dry stools, slight feeling of fullness after eating, night sweating, 5-pound heat, bleeding gums, red tongue or red center only, without coating in the center, floating empty and rapid pulse. Stomach and spleen chi deficiency. Dull toothache that comes and goes. Weak gums, poor appetite, slight abdominal distension after eating, tiredness, lassitude, pale complexion, weakness of the limbs, loose stool, uncomfortable feelings in the epigastrium, lack of taste, sensation, pale tongue, empty pulse. Heat in the large intestine. Severe toothache, especially of the upper teeth, mouth ulcers, bleeding gums, constipation with dry stools, burning sensation in the mouth, dry tongue, burning and swelling in the anus. Scanty dark urine, thick yellow or brown or black, dry tongue coating and full rapid pulse. Damp heat in the large intestine, toothache, especially of the upper teeth, thirst with no desire to drink, mouth ulcer, a sticky taste, abdominal pain that is not relieved by a bowel movement, diarrhea, mucus and blood in stool, offensive odor of the stool, burning in the anus, scanty dark urine, fever, sweating that does not decrease the fever, a feeling of heat, a feeling of heaviness of the body and limbs, red tongue with sticky yellow coating, slippery rapid falls. Heat in the spleen and heart. Toothache, bleeding gums, red lips, palpitation, thirst, mouth and tongue ulcers, mental restlessness, feeling agitated, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, feeling of heat, red face, bitter taste, burning epigastric and or abdominal pain, excessive hunger, red tip of the nose, dry lips, dry stool, red tongue with dry yellow coating, overflowing rapid falls. Invasion of external wind, toothache, aversion to cold, fever, stiff neck, occipital headache, sneezing, other symptoms and signs, including those of the tongue and pulse, depend on whether it is wind cold or wind heat. Wind cold in the brain. Severe toothache extending to the brain. After an invasion of external wind that has not been cleared. Purple tongue. Thank you po for your listening.